Hi, I hope you liked my last video. Some of you have come back and asked me, where should we be using TA? It's an awesome question. We should be using TA on assets which are liquid, assets where the participation rate is high amongst buyers and sellers, assets where the bid-offer spreads are constant in normal markets and narrow, assets which are extremely liquid. Coming back to specific examples, we can use TA on stock exchange indices, example Nifty, FTSE, S&P, Nikkei, on liquid stocks traded on those exchanges where the floating stock is high, example Tata Motors, Apple, Facebook. We can use TA on internationally traded commodities, Brent, WTI, base metals, gold, silver, on foreign currencies, Euro, Sterling, Swiss franc, Audi. In the last video, I'd introduced trend lines. Going a little forward, now we're going to discuss support lines and support zones.
A support is a price where buyers are expected to buy. Likewise, a support zone is a range of prices where buying is expected to happen. These buyers may be traders, retail investors, portfolio investors, or even promoter entities. Since in a market, speculators, which I feel is a harsher word for traders, outnumber the others, expect that this zone has a lower boundary. If that lower boundary is broken, it is assumed that the support is broken until it is re-established. In the words of the great Jim Morrison, the future is uncertain and the end is always near.
So at a support, buyers are expected to enter the market in sufficient numbers. Buyers are confident to establish a support at a level where the price has bounced off that level often, relatively high volumes are traded at it, and the price trend is followed. To draw a zone of support, draw a rectangular box closest to a trend line or where prices have been in a narrow zone for a period of time. The two outer sides provide the extremes of the support zone. Choose the size of the rectangle either visually or statistically. Press the 3 buttons below to watch demo videos. Go to www.bseindia.com. Type the name or partial name of the stock in the quote box. Example Tata Motors. Select the stock name from the list. We can see publicly available information including market cap and free float market cap. We can also see the shareholding breakup. Also go to www.nacindia.com. Here too, we can view latest publicly available information regarding the listed stock. I'm looking at the percentage of delivered quantity of shares of stock for the day. This is the breakout coupled with the trendline support. We will learn about breakouts later. Watch the price move after the third support provides confirmation of the trendline. Going long after the confirmation provides approximately a 43% return in around 13 days. After that, a higher base is established for the price level and the price moves up from the 40s to the 70s in 2 months. Yet again, notice that the market gets confidence after the third point of support in the trendline. Aggressive traders may like to buy around an extrapolated third price point by extending the 2-point line forward, but that would entail a larger stop loss, about which we will learn later. The rectangle in blue shows the long support congestion zone where buyers and sellers are uncertain, but likely lots of buyers around the base of the rectangle. We see a very long trend line starting from about September 2011 to June 2015. We also see a break of the March 14 to June 15 trend line. The recent bounce back from a region between 130 to 150 is the historical congestion zone and the neckline support region. We will learn about necklines later. The Brent chart shows long trend lines and clean trend line breakouts. Notice the strength of the moves in the opposite direction on the breakdowns of the trend line, and the strength of the move in the same direction after the third point support is established to affirm the trend line. The blue rectangle shows the support congestion zone. Hope you found this video useful. If you did like this video, don't forget to actually like it. And subscribe to my channel and share the video with anyone whom you feel would benefit. See you next time in the next video.